In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send documents on WhatsApp Web. Imagine you're working on your computer and you need to share a document swiftly without the hassle of switching to your phone. WhatsApp Web is a convenient feature that allows you to do just that directly from your desktop or laptop. Let's get started by diving right into the process. First, you'll want to have WhatsApp Web open in your browser. If you haven't done this before, don't worry, it's pretty straightforward. Just go to web.whatsapp.com and you'll see a QR code displayed prominently on your screen. To connect your phone to WhatsApp Web, unlock your mobile device, open the WhatsApp app, and tap on the three-dot menu located at the upper right corner of the app. From the drop-down menu, select the option that says Linked Devices and then tap on Link a Device. Your phone will activate its camera as a scanner. Aim your phone's camera at the QR code on your computer screen. Once scanned, your WhatsApp conversations will appear promptly on your desktop. Now you're all set to send documents through WhatsApp Web. Now, let's focus on sending your document. Begin by navigating to the chat conversation where you'd like to send the document. This chat could be with an individual contact or within a group. Once you've opened the chat, look towards the upper right corner of the chat window. There, you'll notice a small plus icon. This plus sign is essentially your gateway to sending a variety of media, including documents. Click on the plus sign and a menu will appear, showing different options of what you can send. One of these options is labeled as document. Go ahead and click on this document option. Your computer's file explorer will pop up, allowing you to browse through your files and folders. Here, you can navigate to and select the specific document you wish to share. It could be a PDF, a Word document, or any other type of file you need to send. When you find the document you want to share, simply click on it to select it, and then hit the Open button. WhatsApp Web will process the document briefly and prepare it for sending. Before you send it off, you have the option to add a caption or a comment, which can help provide some context for the recipient. Once you're ready, just click on the send arrow icon and your document will be swiftly delivered to your chat partner. And that's it. You've successfully sent a document using WhatsApp Web. This seamless integration makes it incredibly easy to share important files without leaving your computer. It's a great way to keep your work or personal projects moving smoothly so you can stay in touch and stay productive. This process is not just easy but also efficient, saving you time and effort. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide